Configuring Bill4Time expense entry is a straightforward process that allows you to track and manage your business expenses efficiently. To begin, log into your Bill4Time account and navigate to the Expenses tab. From here, you can create a new expense entry by clicking on the New Expense button. First, select the date of the expense and choose the relevant expense category from the drop-down menu. Bill4Time provides a range of predefined categories, but you can also create custom categories to suit your business needs. Next, enter a description of the expense and the amount spent. One of the key concepts to understand when configuring Bill4Time expense entry is the importance of categorization. Accurate categorization enables you to generate detailed reports and analyze your expenses by category, project, or client. For example, you can categorize expenses as travel, entertainment, or office supplies, and then track how much you spend on each category over time. To add a receipt or invoice to support your expense entry, click on the Attach File button and upload the relevant document. This helps to ensure that you have a paper trail for all your expenses, which can be useful for auditing and tax purposes. Best practices for configuring Bill4Time expense entry include setting up recurring expenses, such as monthly subscriptions or utility bills, to save time and reduce administrative effort. You can also use the Bill4Time mobile app to capture receipts and log expenses on the go, making it easier to stay on top of your expenses and avoid lost receipts. To ensure accuracy and consistency, it is essential to establish a regular routine for reviewing and approving expense entries. This can be done by setting up approval workflows and assigning users with the necessary permissions to review and approve expenses. In conclusion, configuring Bill4Time expense entry is a simple and intuitive process that can help you streamline your expense management and improve your financial reporting. By following these steps and best practices, you can maximize the benefits of using Bill4Time and make informed decisions about your business expenses.